Microsoft Dynamics 365, 2025 Release Wave 2, Business Central 27. Microsoft will launch the second Dynamics 365 upgrade wave in October, which includes the release of a new version of Business Central. With Business Central 27, a number of new features and improvements are introduced, including better AI agents. The AI agents in Business Central are getting even better at understanding and executing detailed and complex business tasks in the Business Central environment. Improved finance management. AI capabilities improve financial management by streamlining data entry, automating routine tasks, and delivering insights that support better decisions. Electronic document management. Simplify sending and receiving documents by reducing manual data entry and errors. The result is greater operational efficiency along with significant time and cost savings. Sustainability management. Collect, measure and report environmental data to help meet regulatory requirements such as CSRD and CBAM, and strengthen transparency and trust in the value chain. Read much more about the many new features in Business Central 27 at activebs.com. You are also welcome to follow us on social media, which we continuously update with news about Business Central. Your challenge is our passion.